Traders, $55 puts on DJT, Donald J. Trump. They missed their earnings. We had a big 3-day rally up here, and we waited. We started to go short right here. Then we added to the position here. We're testing the 10-day. We're going to hit support down here. The $55 puts were $3.80, and they went up to $12.24. What a big move that was. Once again, start trading with Tommy Trader. Don't hesitate. Get paid with us. Join that live trading room. Click on the link. Let us make money. We got a correction underway. This was a great rally with Donald Trump. But let me tell you, they have not made money. They missed, and they guided all year lower. So once again, we made great rally higher, and we've made a great short going right back down. Got paid both ways. Sign up.